Hello!
Hello, Armenia! Pomeganate.
It's one use. Ay, fresh yan ay. Pomegranate.
Oh,
Pomegranate.
yeah, coffee.
Matry lang. Namit na yun, duwala ko.
Ha? Sabar ya? Namet? Hello mga couple and friends, so dito kami sa wine factory nila. So we're here in their tasting room. Cheese. Nanay magta-try daw.
Dry and one red semi-dry, semi-sweet. Four different types of red wine made from black grapes. Grape name is Areni. This factory like this village. Not too sweet,
Not
but
too sweet.
these all are semi-sweet and one semi-sweet here. And this less sweet.
Hey mga couple and friends, so let's taste their wine. Cherry. Cheers!
That is sweet grape wine. But if you like dry, I can give you dry wine. No, it's
Oh yeah.
Sarap. Pure, the pure.
dry wine.
Namit na sir. Ang simis.
Natural.
Semi-sweet. Namit man. Ito, blackberry. Tikman natin. Oh, mas masarap to. This one is the peach. Armenia wine. Cheers.
Ano namin?
Namin ang peach
Ano
na.
namin? Ako na yung...
So we're heading upstairs. So dito yung coffee shop nila. Ganda dito guys, oh. Look at this. I love the interior. Yes. Tanong mo, Leon. Wala ko food. You're a good boy.
May sungay?
Popcorn. Yes. tayo ngayon. Another monastery. Ang lamig guys. Nagmumoist na yung mukha ko. Ayan yung Snow Mountain. Yung church nila. Ang lamig.
Yes. I see.
Hmm? Alright mga couple and friends, night time here in Armenia. So we're up for our dinner. Time check is around 9 o'clock. So dito kami sa, ano bang tawag dito? Sherep Restaurant. So recommended po sa ng friend ko si John. So we're here now mga mga friends, and tignan yung interior ng restaurant nila. Actually it's a pub restaurant and ang ganda ng ambience dito. Meron silang live band and ang daming kumakain dito. So it's good. So we will try their food. So I think it's better to try their pork barbecue para busog tayo. So we moved to another table. Kasi ang lamig dun sa, malapit kasi kami sa entrance door. Ang lamig ng simoy ng hangin. So lumipat lang kami dito. And one thing guys, I love their hospitality of this restaurant. Napaka-accommodating nila. Ayaw nila na yung ikaw magvo-volunteer mismo na lilipat ka na. Kailangan nila sila talaga mag-a-assist, mag-a-arrange. Tapos yun. Clap. Let's dig in. Let's go. Sarap. Yung preskang barbecue. Natural na natural. Lasang lasa yung barbecue. So, dito kami ngayon along their town area. So, tignan yung ambience guys. So, parang talagang feel na sa Europe ka. And it feels like parang nasa Paris, France yung yung surroundings. And for the meantime, nag-aabang kami ng aming grab car or I don't know, anong tawag doon. Nagpabook lang kami sa nila, sa hostess. And this will be our charge to pay, 900 grams? Tawag doon? Grams. Lexus.